sells in GBP AUD is still running, and it's still running in the profits. And as it touches this red line, I will make this trade break even. Okay, this is a swing trade, so we will not focus on the any time frame. We will be focusing on a day time frame, because in day time frame it is looking very good to go more down. Okay, so if it touches this red line, the level is 2.0025238. Okay, so if it touches this line, I will make this trade break even. And this is the good chances. If we see the weekly close with no bottom wick, that's the riskiest condition. But if it makes the bottom wick, it highly likely it will touch this red line. We will make the trade risk free. Let's go on gold. Gold is little bit bearish in the weekly time frame. If this weekly gives a good falling, and the day is been slowly coming down, not a big massive falling we have seen in this week. But in this week we have plenties of red folders for the US market, and we have an FOMC also on Wednesday night. So till then, we will not be taking any trades, because there will be highly volatility. If we see it can take the support from here, or it can push down, we will not say anything, because when the news comes, it is highly chances the market is very volatile. It goes up and down very fast, so chances of hitting your SL is very much. And the weekly time frame, it's looking a little bit bearish. But if it crosses this lows, the red line lows, the level is 4160. If it crosses this lows, highly probability that it will be giving this as a wig, and then can decide the market to turn around from this area, 4111. Okay, this area can be the support area. After the market comes down from here, grab a bottom wick, then make a green candle, then we will look for this coverage of for the buys. Okay, not before the bottom wick comes over here. So we will wait the market to come down, at least make the green candle over here, then we will take a good opportunity for the buys. I hope this is very clear. And if you want to take any swing trades in gold especially, so just wait for FOMC, then after the FOMC take the swing trades, because there will be highly volatility before you take the swing trades. I hope you get it. So see you guys in the next shot. Peace out.